Hello lovely family and friends, and warm welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well by God's grace. So today I want to share with you BAMBARA Beans Salad. I'm going to explain a bit more about this recipe in the video, so please watch till the end and like this video if you like it. Let's get into it. So for this recipe, I'm going to show you how you can cook your BAMBARA beans, okay? So I soaked my BAMBARA beans in water overnight, and the following day I gave it a good wash, and then I'm going to boil it. When I boil it halfway the boiling, I just take it off the fire and strain it, spread it out, and take out all the beans that has bags in them, because these beans tend to have a lot of bags in them, and you don't want to be eating those bags. I'm trying to say, BAMBARA beans in more until say you more than the salad. So getting to the end of last year, I looked for different ways that I can incorporate some healthy eating into my diet, but at the same time eating my favorite Ghanaian cuisines. Okay, so I'm going to be sharing with you different kinds of salads inspired by our food, the food that we eat in Ghana. So you're going to be loving this salad series. So here's where I'm taking out the bags from the beans, as I mentioned earlier. You're going to be loving it. So if you're here for the first time, welcome, and just click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any of this salad series. You're going to love it. They are amazing. They taste so good. I really enjoyed every bit of every salad I have made. So I'm going to be sharing with you one each week, okay? One of the salad each week. So Charlie, stay in and you love it. So here I've gone through all of it, and now I see that Charlie, this beans is bag free. Just okay. If you like the bags too, no problem. Some people, they like bags, so you can just leave the bags and your salad will be protein filled. Okay, so the beans wasn't cooked, okay? The beans wasn't cooked. It was part cooked. Once the bags were taken out, I popped it back into the saucepan to cook further. So for the beans, you're not going to cook it as you would cook your BAMBARA beans to eat with your tatali. No, you cook it for it to be soft, okay? Just soft that when you press it, it just crashes in your hand. Finish. You don't want that creamy sauce around it. No, it's just soft BAMBARA beans, and then you drain the water because we're not going to be using the water, right? It's nice and cold. This is what we're looking for, just like that. But if you're making it for BAMBARA beans and tatali, you cook it further for the liquid to be much thicker and creamier. That's not what we are doing here, so you have to bear that in mind, right? You strain the water and then you set it aside. And now I'm going to show you how I prepared my dressing. So for the dressing, I added some parsley, garlic, all the measurements and the ingredients are there. Black pepper and salt, okay, together. I also added balsamic vinegar, but you can substitute that with 1 tablespoon of vinegar and half a tablespoon of sugar, honey, or any sweetener, okay? Then some lemon juice and then olive oil. That is all you need for your dressing. You give it a good stir and you set it aside as we assemble the rest of the ingredients we're going to be needing for our BAMBARA bean salad. This is going to be so good, okay? So here we have our BAMBARA beans, cucumber. I'm also going to be adding some red onions. You add in some tomatoes. Actually, you can add in any vegetables of your choice. Some avocados. I'm going to be adding in red and green jalapenos, and just for, we like spice, so everywhere want to add a little bit of spice. You can add any vegetables of your choice. Okay, this is what I'm just adding to make my salad simple. And then I added my dressing. Give it a good stir, and that is it. Your salad is ready. Amazing, beautiful. You are going to love this. So my fellow Ghanaians who love to eat healthy, this salad is for you. But also look out for more salads. Beautiful Ghanaian inspired cuisine salads. Amazing. You can have this as a side dish, a main dish, as a snack, as lunch, breakfast, whatever you want. This is so good. You'll love this. So yeah, thank you all for joining me today. And I'll see you in the very next one. Bye.